Here's a tool that I just sold. I just want to show it off here. But this is, see if you can see it here. It's a triple lever, perfect handle screwdriver. Patent date, August 1911. But you can loosen it up here. These guys, so you can get some nice torque on there. H.D. Smith and Company, triple lever, patented. So, get some nice leverage there. You could probably do it like that too. You can have it 90 degrees to the handle. See, for being 100 years old, it's kind of a neat little tool. Something about patents though. Just because it's 1911 on the patent doesn't mean that that's when this is made. That's just when the patent was issued. So there we go. Perfect handle triple lever screwdriver.